All Home DIY Dad here. Today we're going to show you how to make a firewood rack out of 6 2x4s, 1 bracket purchased from Amazon, and a drill. That's all you need. It's a 10-minute quick fix for needing to have an organized solution for your firewood. If your fire stack looks like mine, you're in desperate need of having some type of rack system to keep that firewood dry, up off the ground, and ready to use when you want to have a fire. I'll put a link in the description for the product I used from Amazon. All it is 2 brackets that support 2x4s going horizontally and vertically. It also comes with these 4 supports that go on the ends of the vertical 2x4s to keep them all straight and aligned. And it even comes with the hardware, the screws that you need to fasten it all together. So literally the only thing that you need to do is buy the length of 2x4s that you want, or cut them to length for how long you want it and how high you want it, and have a drill, and that's it. So let's show you how to do it. The first step in the process is to take your bracket on one end, insert your horizontal 2x4s, cut the length of whatever your space needs, whatever size rack you want to do, insert 2 screws to each of those boards. The next step is the vertical pieces. There's 4 screws in each of these boards. These support a little more weight, so they get a little bit more of the hardware included to secure them. I'm actually really impressed with the hardware that came along with this kit. Usually these kits, come with screws that are kind of crappy. These actually have held up really well, and I ended up kind of reworking this project to customize to fit into my needs, and I was able to reuse the hardware, which is surprising. So once you get both sides in, 4 screws on the vertical ones again, you can move on to the support pieces that go on the top and the middle of the upright 2x4s. This adds some structural integrity and kind of keeps everything from warping and bending with the load from the wood that you put on the rack. I really enjoyed making this. It's really simple if you're looking just for a quick fix, simple way to get your firewood stored. This is going to be it for you. It's a cheap product. Works well, takes about 10 minutes to do, and then you can get to work to stack your wood in there. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see my custom project using these brackets, the same product, please see the video on the top right of your screen now.